Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, you are seeing beautiful, powerful, natural sea lotus. It is very rarely collected under the sea. By having this in your home, will remove black magic and evil eye. It is for you to protect you from black magic and evil eye and remove all negative energy from your place. Such a powerful sea lotus. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It is a real natural sea lotus collected under the ocean. It is from Indian Ocean. By having this in your home, will remove negative energy from your place and make a place flow with high level of positive energy and protects from black magic and evil eye. It is main thing protect you from black magic and evil eyes. Removes black magic and evil eyes. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Such a beautiful, powerful item it is. It is very rarely found under the ocean. Very powerful. It is called as sea lotus. Natural, real sea lotus. Protects you from black magic and evil eyes. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.